All right, what's going on, guys? It's Rusty here, and I just wanted to say that I apologize for the lack of uploading recently. I've been going through some things and stuff, and just haven't been able to really have the time to edit it and post videos and stuff like that. So this video is going up, and then hopefully I still have a writing video that I just recorded a few days ago that I can upload for you guys, and hopefully I should be getting on to the role of uploading consistently again. It's just had to go through some stuff, and it's been like 10 days since I've uploaded, so hopefully I can kick it back into high gear and get back up to where I was uploading every other day, or maybe even set some days up, like upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday or something, just so it might be a little bit more of a scheduled thing and a little bit easier for me to keep up with. But hope you guys do enjoy this video. Peace. All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're working on my bike. So I got some handlebars for my bike. Got some good old Pro Taper ones, so those will be nice on there. And then I have a gold chain. Let me put this on here. I've got a sprocket, a chain breaker, just so we can get that chain on there. And then I also have a new brake rotor because the current brake rotor, I'm pretty sure, is super bent. So we're gonna hope that stops all the sounds and stuff in the front end. But
just run your handlebars like this.
Yeah, ride them like that. That'll actually, it looks pretty nice.
God damn.
Comes off there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and, we're not gonna show this part. I'm just gonna show you guys the finished product after I put the handlebars on. So see you then.
Like a walkthrough thing.
All right, guys, I'm back. So here's it with the Pro Taper handlebars on it. I got them all put on. Honestly, I don't know that I feel much of a difference right now, but it may feel a little bit different when I start riding it and stuff. But as of right now, just sitting on it earlier, it didn't really feel that different. And so right now we're taking the old brake rotor off, which is just a round one, and we're gonna put this one on instead. The only reason I am changing it is because it felt like this one here has a bend in it, because when I turn the wheel, or turn the handlebars like left, like this way, it like catches every time it goes around. And we think it might be a brake rotor bend, so we're gonna try to take it off and hopefully see like a super obvious bend in it, to be honest. There's literally no bend in that.
I mean, can that one move side to side? Because this one can. But like my dad was saying, it could be a slight bend, dude.
It could literally be anything at that point. I don't think that one.
See, this one, like, you can't really tell.
Oh, yeah.
It's slight, but it moves.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
This one doesn't do. This one does
got
nothing. You press on any side, and
it
does. So it was that. That's good.
Yeah, it's good that you can maybe barely see it right here.
See, I couldn't tell if it was just my eyes fucking with me,
yeah,
or if it actually was bent.
Yeah, I think the bottom of it may be bent right here. Well, I'm not sure, but
hopefully when we put this on,
yeah,
you can ride it and not sound like the fucking front tire's gonna fall.
Yeah, so we're fixing that, and then I may try to time lapse or something, us fixing, because we still have this chain and the sprocket to put on it. I may try to time lapse it for you guys so you guys can kind of see me doing that. I just knew that this one was kind of like this is like a miscellaneous job along with the handlebars. Like, it's not really, they're pretty easy things to do. I can just show you guys, like, we took the front tire off, the brake rotor came off with it and everything, and now all I have to do is just slap this one back on there and put the bike on, or put the wheel back on the bike. So pretty easy to do. But the sprocket, I'm pretty sure with the sprocket, all you have to do is take this bolt down here off, this bolt right here, and maybe a few more. It looks like that might be it. Yeah. Okay, the bike doesn't want to stand up anymore. Okay, we're good. So I grabbed the bike and it almost fell on me. But yeah, I think that's it. And then we have a chain to put on there. This one's clearly loose and stuff, but I'm hoping taking this bolt and that bolt out down here is literally just gonna pop this sprocket case off, and then I can get to the sprocket and we can change that along with the chain.
You know, I wonder,
because Yeah, it's just right back in there. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's just back in there on the chain.
I wonder if if they fucking like cranked one of these down at a time and like
maybe singed, like bent it themselves.
Or it came like that.
I don't know. A lot of people are complaining about bent axles and stuff, so it might just be like you know, you'll get this bike and something's bent.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to just slowly tighten different ones down. Maybe it'll.
So this here is the sprocket here. You just have to undo this bolt here and this bolt here, and then we can get the sprocket off and everything else. We'll have to take this all off too, or at least the chain cover, so we can get the chain off too. And we can find the master link too, because I'm not sure. Oh, it's right there.
Is it?
No.
We're gonna rotate the
master link. Yeah, but so we found the master link and stuff. Yeah, this chain's super loose actually.
Very.
That's why
it's just hitting this.
Yeah, you could probably see scrape marks on it.
Yeah, like that. So it'd be done. Yep.
Yep.
So they're eating away at it.
Yeah, a little bit of scrape marks and stuff. So yeah, that's what the sound is. So that sound is gonna be removed when we get this off.
Honestly, oh fuck, we should have bought that cutter thing from the multi-tool, because you can literally just fucking
cut it off. Just
like right here.
I was gonna say we might just grind it off at that point, depending on how it goes.
Yeah, I'd say maybe it'd probably grind it.
So they're the same size teeth, so I got nothing bigger. So we're just gonna have to kind of deal with that, and it is what it is. I'll get a 13 tooth later. As of right now, we're just gonna, we're just gonna put the new one on there, because the old one's kind of used and janked up anyway. Solid bastard. That's it. I don't know if this is meant to be done like this, or I don't either.
Can we use this to put it back in? No. Or can we? We could, couldn't we?
Technically. But I've got this, I think it's in the gold part.
Okay, yeah, if you can get it in there, then
it's at least most of the way through.
You gotta line it up and just hammer it. You're gonna like take this, like move it around, you just kind of leave it like this. Like your GoPro, you're gonna like get different angles, or just keep it like this.
Yeah, that's probably maybe good. I don't know.
Why's the chain so difficult?
I'm gonna take this up to the actual concrete.
Holy
I needed was concrete.
Master mechanic. Master fucking mechanic right there.
All I needed was the concrete.
That literally took 3 seconds. Are you fucking serious? Alright, I guess I'll put this bitch back together. We don't need it.
Ugh.
Alright, now we just gotta put the master line.
Alright guys, we got the fucking chain back with links on it. Hopefully it's not gonna fall apart while riding.
She feels a little toasty.
Yeah. I'm gonna say just tap the screen and yeah, it should come on. Yeah. All right guys, so while we're adding more links to the chain because we can't ever get right, we evidently didn't measure correctly or something. I'll try and show you guys. So this piece right here is what bolts. I can see what I'm pointing at and stuff. This right here, so the brake caliper goes on here. Oh, damn. Well, it's supposed to go on there. Anyway, when that goes on there, this is in here too. And like, well, hell, as it is, I legit can't put this in there. Like it's supposed to be in here. Oh, no, it's not. Wait. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Because this here, take this plug off. This gold piece right here is supposed to come through the front of this. Or is it? What the hell? Yes, I think so.
You're looking at the like bed of the truck.
Yeah, I know, because I'm just trying to figure out, because I don't think it does this. This piece has to be on the inside. Yes. For the brake caliper. Anyway, that's how it's supposed to be. As of right now, it won't even fit in there.
What do you mean? It went before?
Cause I think it's because the wheels turned or something. But it legit.
It's straight. Or straight.
It legit won't even let me fit this in here at all. There's not even a gap between this and my brake caliper. Or my brake rotor. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Rusty here. And it's a few days later. This right here is a spacer that goes right in here. There's a there's a gap in here, and this slips in there and then slips on here. So I messed up by not ever putting that in there, and that's why we're having a problem with this piece right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but a piece right here is connecting to the brake rotor, causing the whole thing to just not move. So I'm gonna put this on there, hopefully by myself, and then I have also a brake pedal that I can put on. But I just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about that. All right, what's going on, guys? Rusty here, and we're back with the bike. So it originally had a 14 on it, the 14 tooth, and I actually ended up getting a 14 tooth to replace it, just a new one, because I thought it had a 15, but it ended up having a 14, so I literally just replaced the old one with a new 14. So I went ahead and got a 13 tooth sprocket for the front one, and then a new back sprocket because the chain and the back sprocket would not line up. Like, the top is lined up perfectly, and then it goes along the back, and then it doesn't want to line up. Like, it's not in there where it's supposed to be. So hopefully getting this new chain or new sprocket on the back will help it line up a little bit better. Go on, guys. After my hands are black, shirt's black, we've got chain on with the new sprocket, and then we got the new sprocket up front. So that will be, once I get this tightened on here and everything, that'll be the end of this video. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, and consider subscribing for more bike content. I should be writing tomorrow, so hopefully that'll be a good video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.